for the Citizens Party DCP ni kubano kiero beire bosio bo bachorio boke obokagere kone kiwachi tariki 25 na ibere chomo tenyo komina limo mwako yega ukwana hasa magachama neye kiamekyo bakorogwa no murayo bo Rigathi Gachagua ni kubano batebire mbare tayara sobo chorio bo na basabire abarwandiria babo kone kia siasa chomorembe abege kyombekyo kia IBC kone kia obochori bo bwasioko Frida Kerubo akotomanya senchira yobokiran
Kenga oi! Kenga oi! This is our candidate for Magarini.
Tingaki okwero bilia kogendeta kwene kigwa bosi wobochorio boke nigaba bwatani ebekia magia DCP basiolia abarwanelia babo bosio wobochorio bo.
Dear Kenyans, we gather here today to unveil the DCP candidates for the various by-elections that we have in the country on 27th of November 2025. On behalf of our party, DCP, I congratulate all the candidates we have here for the bold step they have taken to this level.
Gukwana Gachagua nigo airero kwigena kwae asoko enyorera obubui. Nonyarabo niga gokera bare batenenere ne kiamekyo. Nonya magega yogotema uturubanigwa. Asense mende niga gokero gusiro kwa bakenya eliokoenekia ekiamekyo ngogendera kere.
We know majority of them have been offered bribes. Others have been intimidated. But we have people who are courageous and who have chosen to stand with their principles. I also wish to thank and greatly appreciate the people of the Republic of Kenya for their continued support of our candidates across the nation. We are certain that we shall carry the day in the areas where we have fielded candidates. The party will not spare any effort or resources to ensure that a win is secured. We shall be in every village, in every homestead, and we shall engage every Kenyan individually.
Voigo nigaburia abarwanere gotegerera abananchi chingaki chobokoreri bwabo.
The greatest hope that our candidates will carry the day, and they have been actively engaging the people and listening to them, as is the philosophy of our party. In Magarini constituency coast region, we have a resilient candidate, Honorable Stanley Karisa Kenga.
Maiga yokoegwa okoboko bene ni gomurwaneri Stanley Kenga agokera ogochoro kwae na kulira yokoligia chikura no mukia ilio kwenyorera ububui.
Wakati milango ilipofungwa ile ngambo ya pili, hapa DCP muliweza kutufungulia milango, mukatupokea na kutukaribisha ili tujisikie kwamba tuko nyumbani. Siku hii ya leo tunashukuru kwa sababu mmepeana nafasi ya jamii ya Magarini tuweze kuwa kwa debe kwa hii by election ambayo inakuja tarehe 27 mwezi wa 11. Tunashukuru sana na nataka niwaahidi tukiwa hapa kwamba tunaporudi mashinani sisi hatutalala. Tutangangana usiku mchana kuhakikisha kwamba hii kiti tunaileta nyumbani kwa DCP.
Gachagua boigo nigo ali eira yogotenenera oboene eliokoenekia Stanley ngogambale.
I want to ask the people of Magarini to reject betrayal, to reject the humiliation of their son by one William Ruto. They must do the right thing. They must also humiliate William Ruto by electing Stanley Kenga to be the MP for Magarini.
Frida Kerubo, Ensoko TV.